If you're like most people, you've been hearing a lot about solar lately and are wondering if it's right for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 4 factors to consider when choosing a solar installation company so that you can make an informed decision. We'll examine what makes a great solar installation company and how you can find one for your solar project. Number 1. Customer service. A lot of people think that customer service is unimportant or not a big deal when going solar, but I'm here to tell you that it's one of the most important aspects of a good solar experience. Not all solar companies will display the same commitment to customer service. Every solar company talks about excellent customer service, but only a few will provide it. It's essential, therefore, to read solar reviews before deciding which company to choose. Find out which companies provide homeowners with customer care and support and which do not. In solar, customer service is often overlooked, making it hard to find a company that will be responsive and helpful if there is any issue before or after the installation. A common complaint from homeowners is the lack of communication from solar companies. They cannot get responses in a timely manner, if at all. When a homeowner has a question or concern, do they get a prompt response or are they neglected? You'll be able to find out by reading the solar reviews. Number 2, pricing, financing, and warranties. Look for a solar company that offers competitive pricing, financing options, and superior warranties, with no money down and with lower payments than your current electric bill. Solar companies with superior warranties, like SunPower, cover the cost of repairs and replacement for up to 25 years. For that reason, they are worth checking out. Number 3, installations. When searching for a company, you want one known for high-quality solar installations. Their crews take pride in their work, which shows in the quality of their installations. They are happy and proud to show you pictures of their previous work. Not only are their installs top-notch, but they also leave the work site clean. Surprisingly, not all solar companies clean up after themselves. Keep that in mind, because another common complaint in solar is that the work site, which means your home, was left in a mess. Number 4, testimonials. When hunting for the best installation companies, one of the best ways to find out if they are reliable and trustworthy is to read their reviews. A sincere testimonial from a happy and satisfied homeowner speaks volumes. A company's track record can give you peace of mind. By doing your research, you can be sure that you are making the best decision for your home and your family. In the final analysis, when deciding which solar installation company to choose, it's necessary to consider more than just the cost of the panels. To recap, here are the top 4 factors that guarantee a better solar experience. Excellent customer service is essential because you want a company that will be responsive and supportive throughout the entire process, from planning through post-installation and beyond. It's smart to find a company that offers competitive prices and good financing options. The best companies will also offer strong warranties on their products and services. Choose a company with a proven track record of high-quality installations. Check out actual installations of their work. Let excellent reviews guide your decision. Read the reviews of solar installation companies before making your final decision. Look for companies with lots of positive feedback from happy homeowners. Chances are you'll get the same type of results. See our recommendations for the best solar companies in the links below. Jim Collins, in his book, Good to Great, Why Some Companies Make the Leap and Others Don't, observe that greatness is not a function of circumstance. Greatness, as it turns out, is largely a matter of conscious choice and discipline. Read the reviews and choose a great solar installation company that has made the conscious decision to be great. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.